In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write notes on TradingView, a powerful tool for traders and investors who want to keep track of their insights and strategies. Whether you're monitoring the market trends regularly or just getting familiar with TradingView, knowing how to annotate your charts with notes can serve as a valuable reference for future analyses. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to navigate to TradingView on your web browser. Once you're logged in and set up, the next step is to go to the demo asset you want to work with. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's imagine we're analyzing the MNQ2 25,302.25 asset. Once you've opened your desired chart, you'll see a variety of tools and options surrounding it. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but focus on the interactive elements of the chart interface. Now take your cursor towards the top left or specifically look for the chart elements wherever they are located in your interface. What you're looking for are three vertical dots, often referred to as the More button. This can be accessed easily using a hotkey combination on most systems. If you're using a Windows PC, press Alt plus N. For Mac users, it would be Option plus N. This shortcut will instantaneously bring up additional functions for your chart. Alternatively, if you prefer the manual route, you can right-click on the chart itself or find the More button on your data series. This action will bring up a context menu that unveils a range of extra options you can use to modify and annotate your chart. Look through the menu closely and click on the Add Text Note option for your selected asset, in this case BTCUSD. This is the heart of note-taking within TradingView, as it allows you to input any observations, ideas, or trading strategies directly onto your chart. The note feature is a simple yet powerful way to keep bits of wisdom attached to the ever-evolving price charts. Think of it as a sticky note that stays in place as data beneath it changes and grows. When you operate in fast-paced markets or diversify your trading portfolio, these notes stand as personal reminders of your thought processes and market insights at any given moment. So that covers our brief guide on writing notes in TradingView. Not only does it keep your trading life organized, but it also enriches your decision-making process. Make sure you routinely review and update your notes as you further engage in your trading journey. Thank you for joining this tutorial today, and until next time, happy trading!